What is up, guys? This is John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video I wanted to show you guys a little bit more about the Galaxy A6 and the LG K30 to be soon released to MetroPCS. Now again, I found this information via a trusted source, so I don't know exactly the exact date or the pricing for these, and the specifications might change from what we see on. I'll take you through, guys, and go through the website. So we're going to go ahead and find out what these phones might typically look like and perform like. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. And if we're premiering this, go ahead and drop mad love in the live comments in the live chat, and I'll be chatting along with you. So let's go ahead on this journey. Alrighty, guys, so our first phone that we're going to be talking about is the Samsung Galaxy A6. The information is coming via B&H Audio, so you guys have told me actually it's a great place to find unlocked phones. So if you have not looked at this place, bnhphotovideo.com, to get some unlocked phones or whatnot. We were talking on a live shoot podcast actually last night, and you guys told me that this is a good place, so there you go. Also, guys, I'd like to apologize for the live stream last night. Really was bad quality, and I was not able to get out the information that I wanted to, really. So here is the Samsung Galaxy A6 2018. So this one is supposedly the one that's going to be coming for Metro. Now, like I said, this one might change, the features might change, so I'm just trying to get a good feel for what the specs might be and everything like that. So it's saying it's $239 or $240 basically right here on this website. So don't know exactly what the pricing for MetroPCS is going to be. I'm assuming something around that area to $229 or something like that. You know, obviously you're going to have recorded special recorded deals and all like that, just like MetroPCS always does. So that's great on MetroPCS, always bringing in the heat and the fire when it comes to these deals and specials. I don't know if it's going to be absolutely free with a port in, but we can only hope and desire. So here is the specs right here. We got, let's see, we got a 16 megapixel rear camera with LED flash, a front 16 megapixel with LED flash. So that's really cool. 16 megapixels on the front and the back. So wow. Says that is full HD 1080p video at 30 frames per second. Nice to see 1080p on both front and back. So that's actually almost required nowadays. A 1.6 Exynos octa-core processor that might change to a Snapdragon, don't know. 32 gigabytes of storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM. So really nice to see Samsung bringing a 3 gig of RAM phone, like, you know, as far as to Cricket Wireless and MetroPCS and stuff like that, to prepaid carriers basically. So really cool of them. So this is going to be like the first pretty much on one of these smaller carriers or prepaid carriers. 5.6 inch display at 720p. So okay, yes, okay, cool. There we go. 5.6 inch display at 720p. So there you go. There you have it on that. Now I am told, oh, okay, Dolby Atmos dual speakers and Android 8.0 Oreo. And I was being told last night as well that it does have a metal back as well on the back. So that's gonna have like a real premium feel. So yeah, if you guys like this Samsung Galaxy A6, please leave that in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your price point, what the price point might be, what you guys think the price point might be. So now we're going to go ahead and jump over to the LG K30 for Boost Mobile. So the LG K30 is already actually out on Boost Mobile. So thank you guys. Thank you for those of you in the chat last night for actually letting me know that this thing was actually already around on the on Boost Mobile. So I'm just gonna go ahead and look at Boost Mobile. So guys, if you enjoy these type of videos, please leave a like. Let me know if you enjoy the where I just kind of go over with you and I have a little camera here on the side, because I think just going on a website but not having my camera on the side, it's kind of like, I don't know, I guess people don't really tend to watch those videos. So hopefully this will, you know, keep you engaged enough to actually watch till the end. Now here's your LG K30. right there. A lot of people are not really liking this phone, apparently. That's what I've been being told in the Discord chat and the live comments and everything like that. So the LG K30, I know the LG K20 was a great phone. Little John still uses that phone actually to this day. The LG K20 Plus actually. So here we go with the LG K30. A lot of people just said that it wasn't really that big of a deal and they weren't really too excited about this one. So it says the LG K30 is a small on the price, but not on features. A real metal design with 5.3-inch HD display. So it doesn't have a metal design. That's really nice. Curved glass edges. Never miss memory with the 8-megapixel camera, and keep your data safe and secure with a fingerprint ID. So you guys, your fingerprint sensor on the back, which is really nice. You do have your metal design, which is really nice. Total talk time 21 hours. That seems pretty legit. 13-megapixel camera looks like right there, and then maybe an 8 on the front. So I'm not exactly sure if Boost Mobile has this like to the T. And then again, Metro or Metro by T-Mobile can actually can actually change this. Let's go ahead and look at some more specs if we can. It's got a 3000 milliamp battery. Not the hugest battery in the world, but then again, the display is not the biggest, so I'll take it. And yeah, so you got your 2 gigs of RAM, which is kind of standard. You know, they could have bumped it up to 3. You never know. Maybe we'll go on LG K30 Plus on Metro. So, you know, guys, I'm more of a Cricket fan, but then again, when Metro does well, I love to praise Metro as well. We got that 1.5 gigahertz octa-core MediaTek chipset right there, and yeah, that looks like about it. So let me know what you think about the LG K30 in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video if you enjoy my content. I really want to grow and really want to get this channel up and popping for holiday season and getting Little John and the family bills paid, and Christmas and everything taken care of around the Magic Tech Review house. So if you haven't checked out the website, www.magictechreview.com, ad supported, so go ahead and take a look around there. And yeah, so I think that's going to be about it. Thank you guys for watching. This has been John from Magic Tech Review. Peace out, guys. Bye-bye. You guys are amazing.